Hey, you guys, you want to see if I could do this lock bow again? Keep watching because your girl tried. Go! Hello, my lovely lock minions, and those of you that are new to my channel. My name is Mfan. I'm a teacher, dancer, hair guru for locks. And on this channel, we're gonna try to do the lock bow again. Now that my hair is longer, let's see if I have the patience, and let's see if I can make this work again. So if you're interested, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And come back to my channel, Locks, for you to love. You hear me? Keep watching. Hey, my lovely lock minions. So these are a couple of things that I'm going to use. I'm going to use this water. I'm going to use these bands, hair bands. I have this product that I love to use on my hair because it feels good, and right now my hair is really dry. For my edges or just some of the parts of my hair, I like to use this, but usually I use like an edge control, but I don't have that right now, so we're just gonna use what we have. The tools that I have, handy dandy brush, and this little brush for the edges if I want to. So for those of you that don't know, I don't have any sides, right? The sides are gone, okay? But that's gonna be the only difference. On top of, I'm gonna have these two pieces of hair out. For my previous video, I didn't have that back in the day, and now I have these. So, wish me luck, okay? So the first step is we're using water. I need to hydrate my hair. At the moment, you'll see me look like this way and then this way. It's because I'm looking at the mirror while I'm talking to you guys. So, water, bam. Now, as my hair starts growing and as I get older, I just feel like I don't have the patience to be doing my hair like I used to. I usually just wear my hair like this or put some over it, wear a hat, call it a day. But your girl's hair, dry. Dry. So I want to at least put some love into it in the moment. Whew. Damn, I'm gonna have some strong arms. Ooh. Anyways, so one thing I like to do when I spray water on my hair, I like to squeeze my locks so that water can go inside them. Next, I'm adding this cream. It's, thank God it's natural. Yeah, so I'm using this, and you know, some people who have locks, I don't put cream in my hair. Well, I'm not those some people. I just put whatever feels good in my hair, and my hair has been doing fine ever since, so it's fine. So anyways, I have this on, and I'm putting that thing through and through. Oh, this feels good. I like to comb it through, massage that thing through. I'll probably add one more thumb, or should I say thumb, index, middle finger consistency of the product. Okay, so back to your regular service. Mind you, as I'm doing this video, Then my microphone, my little baby mic, wanted to die on me while I'm like talking about my hair. So don't have the microphone, but have myself. So back to what I was doing. Again, I had water. I use this conditioner, buttercream daily moisturizer with shea butter, vitamin E, blah, blah, blah. Thank God it's natural. That's the product I use. I put the product all in my hair and I was brushing it. And I'm brushing it again. Because I like to kind of get the product in my locks. And I feel like it gets in there if I brush it too. And maybe I'm delusional, but it's fine because it makes me feel good. All right. So I feel great. Now, there's these two pieces that are gonna stay out. The rest of my hair is going to go into one big ponytail. Oh, I don't know what is on, probably the hair. So anyways, I'm gonna put in a ponytail, and after I put it in a ponytail, then I'll do the next steps. Now, the funny thing is, I wanna try to do this like on a half up, half down hairstyle, but I ain't there yet. So if it turns out well, then I'll do another video where half up, half down. So as your hair gets longer, you can't just kind of put it up because then you have pieces of your hair that get stuck in the ponytail. So usually I whip my hair like this and I comb the hair in the direction that I want it. Okay, now that it's in the direction that I want, here's my ponytail. Hair tie. I'm gonna tie it tight enough so I can have a strong base and make sure all my hair, besides the ones that can't fit in there, mind you, I have this little baby one right here. That thing ain't going in there. You hear me? It's not going in there. So, put my hair back down here. And wrap it around 3 times. All right, there's my ponytail. Woo! Your girl is worked out. I'm just looking in the mirror to see if it's like how I want it. Now, the other thing that I want to do is I want to leave some hair out. So I take a middle section about right here. This is the part that's going to be left out. I'm going to take a ponytail holder, bam, bam, and then I'm just going to secure it lightly because I don't need that at the moment. Okay. Now, the rest of the hair, you divide it into 2 sections. I'll take this section first. With this section, I'm using another ponytail. I'm also going to spray my hair a little bit, not too much, because you don't want your hair to smell like mildew, and get mold. Okay, so what I think my best technique for this hair is I try to have it as close to the base of it as possible so it can make this bow. So I think about right here is good. And I'm gonna wrap 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna take what extra hair I have and kind of make it into a ball, okay? I don't know if you can see that. Can you see this ball? It's like a ball, okay? So what I'm doing is I'm gonna tuck it inside of what I made. So So there's a ball going inside of a ball. Kind of looks crazy, but it's gonna make sense later in life, okay? So as I'm stuffing and making sure all the loose pieces are in there, I'll turn around and show you what that looks like. So I basically just stuffed it inside. And while I stuffed it inside, I'm taking the sides and I'm spreading it to the side so it can create this like bow thing, right? So I'm like, okay, done. Now we're moving on to the next one. Again, I'm using my handy dandy water. I'm gonna take this thing, spray it lightly, because again, we don't want mildew, if I said it right. And again, you want it close to the base. About right here is good. If you could see that right there is good. I'm gonna tie that like 3 times. 1, 2, the third time I'm taking this and changing it, turning it into a ball at the end so it's kind of part of that lock. Then I'm tucking it inside of the ball that I made. Tuck, tuck, tuck. Now this gives the illusion that like there's a ball in there, right? There's a ball somewhere. And I'm just spreading the sides over. And then so far I have that ball. You can turn it around, you see what it looks like. Okay? So, the beginning stages of my bow looks like this. Now we're taking this middle section and let me undo this. I don't know what I did with this last time. I'm trying to remember. I can't remember. I put it over like this. And I think I separated this into 2 sections. So I think what I'm gonna do different is I'm going to also tie this probably about right here where it stops here to create this little ball. And whatever section I have left, I'm gonna take these 2 and I'm kind of gonna like wrap it under. As I wrap it under, I'm going to tuck under my bow. And I take the other one too. And I'm gonna tuck this thing under this one too. If I can find the hole. Or, yes, there it is. It's gonna go inside here. It's kind of hard because I can't really see that well. Anyways, okay. That's what we have tucked. This is what it looks like in the back so far. I'm using another band to secure it. For me, I like security. I don't know about everybody else. I don't really feel that secure with bobby pins. Let's use this other one. We're securing this over here as well. Let's see. Your girl is not liking this. And maybe it's just me because I outgrown the bow, or I just don't like what it's looking like. So let's try to make it work. Okay, so this is the bow. I don't don't know how I feel. Your girl is not liking the bow. Your girl is not liking the bow. Okay, so this is the bow. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make the edge. I don't really do too much to my edges, but this. And then we're doing the other side too. Also with my front pieces, again, I'm not really picky about what they look like. I'll probably just do this to make it more like not puffy. Okay, so that's your bow. Here we go. So to wrap it up, I think I've outgrown the bow. I feel like maybe if I get it done by a professional, I might like it even better. But I don't really wear like hairstyles like this anymore. I'm not mad at it. My hair can still get into the bow. And it still looks cute. I'm not mad. Your girl ain't mad. Again, the last time I did it was probably 2 years ago. And I'm in the 5-year mark. So that was probably in my 3rd year of having locks. So with the method that I came up with, I feel like it doesn't matter if your hair grows, you still can do the same method and it's manageable. And my hair feels very secure. And so if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Ooh, wanna burp. And come back to my channel, Locks for you to love. And tell me what you think. And if you have a better way of doing the locked bow, tell me how to do it. And I will try to do it right. You hear me? But for the most part, deuces.